I've been looking forward to this all morning.
Yeah,
I think
same.
this might be one of my all-time favourite dishes. You cannot go past delicious prawn pasta with a zesty garlic sauce. And better yet, this flavour-packed dinner is so easy, it will be ready in 20 minutes. Talk about faster pasta.
Yep, and it's made so much better by including the word zesty in it. Today we're joined by Coles ambassador, Courtney Roulston, for Cooking with Coles.
Good morning.
Courtney, yum, it smells so good, looks so good. Start with the prawns.
Yeah, so prawns, Australian prawns, I'm using banana prawns. They've got great prices all year round. All I'm done is cut up a couple of shallots. You could use a red onion if you didn't have them. A couple of cloves of garlic. I always add a couple extra in than what the recipe says. If it says 2, I put about 5.
Yeah.
That's a general rule. And then all I've done, a bit of extra virgin olive oil, cook the prawns off. Very simple. 5 minutes. At home, what you'll do is take the prawns out of the pan, let them rest, pour in some fish stock, because we're staying on the
Fish theme.
Fish theme. The juice of some lemon, so half a lemon.
Love that.
Lemon and garlic this time of year as well. It's what kind of fights off a lot of, anything that's in season is what your body should be eating, and citrus is right now is what your body is needing. Put in the lemon, and then what you do at home, pretend the prawns are out. You put in a punnet of these beautiful sweet Perino tomatoes.
Yep.
In with the stock, and you just cook it down until the tomatoes kind of go bursting like this.
Yes.
So I think for winter, a lot of people are doing slow cook ragouts and things that are taking 8 and 10 hours. This is still, pasta is still comforting, but it's nice and light. And I think that's with our pasta for linguine.
Yep.
So we've got the San Remo linguine here, made in Australia. Been to one of the farms down in, I think it's made down in Adelaide. So 100% durum wheat pasta. When you're doing simple recipes, you've only got 5 or 6 ingredients.
Yes.
You want to, good quality. You want a little bit of bite to the pasta.
Could you use any pasta or...
You can, but I think generally, in Italy, there's a pasta shape for every different sauce.
Yeah.
In general, linguine is good for light-style dishes. So you could just do a pesto on the linguine.
Yep.
Or even if you didn't want to do the prawns, just a really basic tomato sauce.
Okay.
Or it's generally used for these, light... seafood or light pesto.
The
style
control
dishes.
room can even smell that.
Yeah.
The whole
Many
building.
doors away. Oh, that's strange. Mark Beretta can also smell it.
Oh, he can.
Didn't take much, did it?
Barrett's could smell this if it was 4 suburbs away. And then all you do is mix it in. We finish with some feta cheese.
Yep.
For a little bit of saltiness. Finish with some
saltiness.
Yeah. And then some basil, because it gives us a nice little aniseed hit.
Yep.
Like at home, you could just serve it in the pan like this. Would you like a proper bowl this week, Barrett? And I've got.
Hey,
I've got all day.
just really quickly too. I mean, obviously for the kids this is perfect, but could you chuck a bit of chilli in?
Oh,
Just a bit of heat?
I love chilli. Chilli, prawns, lemon, tomatoes work hand in hand. I would.
Oh my gosh.
I'd put some chilli in this. Leave it out for the kids.
That is to die for, isn't it? It is delicious.
It's
What is
really.
It's tricolore, is that right? With the 3 colours, with the basil, the tomato, and the white of the
How
feta.
fancy are you?
Yeah. Yum. Love this.
I've never heard of that word, Trevor, but definitely, yeah.
I may have just made it up.
Trevor, my trick is just doing this, and people go, it's Italian because she's
very
doing
good.
this.
That is beautiful.
Yeah. Look,
You have that.
everyone's in Europe. This is if we can't go to Europe, this is Mediterranean
Just eat
vibes.
this all the time.
Have this tonight.
I could have this every day. You can make it
Delicious.
tonight. All you need to do, go to the website. The full recipe is on the Cooking with Coles section of the Sunrise website.
You're a marvel.
Thank you.
Delish.
Barrett said he's in Florence.
You're wonderful. It's like being in Florence.
Yay, taking you back to your
Just
roots.
do this.
Love
Yeah.
it.
Bellissimo.